Okay, so let's try practice assignment 2, and this time we'll try and attach a document. Okay, so we go over to the teacher view. I'm going to create an assignment. We're going to look at the attached document. Okay, and do the. And so let's see what we need to do to add a document. So you can go to Google Drive, and you can see that I just uploaded this pre-algebra chapter, and so there it is. So that's an easy way to do it. Okay, and so I'm going to show you another way how you actually do that. If you do an add, can you go to a file on your computer? You can. Select files from device, so I can go and find that same document within my directory, but you can see it takes a bit more time. Okay. And so what I've found is easier to actually upload things. Where was it? Chapter 5, 5.6. Add more files, no upload. So what I recommend is planning in advance and getting your uploading your PDF files into the directory, and that way you have them. So if you're creating a lot of assignments, it's much easier to do it that way than this way. Okay, and so there we are, and we'll just cancel this. You can see it's taking too long. And so this assignment we're probably not going to use, so it needs to be more particular, but but again, we want to have that topic of practice assignments, try them now, and we assign it. Okay, and so now we go over to the student view, and so here's the student view, and he clicks on the class, and he says, oh, look, teacher just posted a new assignment. So if we go into classwork, we say, oh, there's practice assignment 2, right? And it has an attachment, and we view it, and when we click on that, we see that it comes up in a viewer for the student, so they can look at it. So we didn't say to do anything, so they looked at it, so they can just mark it as done. You didn't attach any work. Okay, so that can be okay. You don't necessarily have something. You can just say that they've done it, and they mark it as done.